You need to see this. Do you love gaming and want to share your passion, skills, and creativity with the world? YouTube is a great platform for gamers, but it can be hard to stand out and grow your audience among millions of competing channels. That's why I'm here to help you with some tips and strategies that can take your gaming channel to the next level. But before we dive in, please show some love and smash that like and subscribe button to support my channel and never miss any of my awesome videos. Alright, are you ready to level up your gaming channel? Let's go. Number 1, focus on your target audience, not a particular game. Don't make the mistake of playing every game that you like or that is popular without thinking about what your viewers want to watch. This will only make your channel scattered and inconsistent, and you will lose fans instead of gaining them. Instead, think about who your ideal audience is, what games they love, and what value you can offer them. For example, are you funny, informative, or impressive? Do you want to make them laugh, learn, or admire? Once you know your target audience and your unique value proposition, you can create content that matches their tastes and needs. This will help you find your niche, stand out from other gaming channels, and build a loyal community around your channel. Number 2, get the right equipment for your gaming channel. To start a gaming channel, you don't need to break the bank on fancy gear, but you do need some basic equipment to make your videos high quality and enjoyable. Here are some of the must-haves for any gamer. A microphone. A good mic will make your voiceovers clear and crisp, whether you're playing live or adding commentary later. A screen recording software. You need this to capture the gameplay on your console's screen, whether it's a PS5, Xbox, or something else. Some popular options are OBS Studio, Elgato Game Capture HD60S, and XSplit Gamecaster. A digital camera. This can be a DSLR, mirrorless, or webcam. You'll need this to record yourself playing games if you want to show your face and reactions to your viewers. Lighting. Don't let poor lighting ruin your shot. Use natural or artificial light sources to brighten up your face and make it more visible. You can use a window, a ring light, a softbox, or an LED panel, a green screen. This is great for live streaming. It removes the background behind you and makes you appear on top of the gameplay. This can make your stream more immersive and professional. Number 3, choose the right name for your gaming channel. Your channel name is one of the most important things on YouTube. It's how people will find you, remember you, and talk about you. So no matter what your niche is, try to follow these tips as you choose your name. Make it catchy and memorable. Your name should be easy to say, spell, and recall. Don't use numbers, symbols, or complicated words that might confuse people. Make it relevant and descriptive. Your name should reflect your channel's topic and content. It should also show your personality and style. Make it unique and original. Your name should stand out from other gaming channels and not copy or infringe on existing names or trademarks. You can use tools like Numetch or Trademarkia to check if your name is available on different platforms and domains. Number 4, optimize your videos for YouTube SEO. YouTube SEO is the process of optimizing your videos and channel to rank higher in YouTube's search and recommendations. YouTube SEO can help you get more visibility, reach, and traffic on the platform. Here are some tips for YouTube SEO. Do keyword research. Use tools like Vidicue or TubeBuddy to find relevant and popular keywords that your target audience is looking for. Use these keywords in your titles, descriptions, tags, and video content. Your titles and descriptions should be catchy, clear, and descriptive. They should have your main keyword and a benefit or value for your viewers. They should also be honest and not misleading or clickbait. Create eye-catching thumbnails. Your thumbnails are the first thing that people see when they see your videos. They should be high quality, colorful, and contrastive. They should also have text, images, or faces that show what your video is about and why people should watch it. Use playlists and end screens. Playlists and end screens are great ways to keep viewers watching more of your videos. Playlists are groups of videos that you can organize by topic, genre, or series. End screens are interactive elements that you can add at the end of your videos to promote other videos, playlists, channels, or websites. Number 5, upload videos consistently and frequently. Consistency and frequency are key factors that YouTube's algorithm looks at when ranking and recommending videos. YouTube likes channels that upload videos regularly and frequently, as this shows that they are active, reliable, and engaging. Uploading videos regularly and frequently can help you. Build a loyal fan base. When you upload videos regularly and frequently, you create a habit and expectation for your viewers. They know when to watch your new content and they look forward to it. This can boost your watch time, retention, and engagement rates. Increase your channel authority. When you upload videos regularly and frequently, you show your expertise and passion for your niche. You also rank for more keywords and topics. This can increase your channel authority and credibility. Stay ahead of the competition. When you upload videos regularly and frequently, you stay relevant and fresh in your niche. You also keep up with the latest trends and updates in the gaming industry. This can attract new viewers and subscribers who are interested in your content. Number 6, engage with your viewers and other creators. YouTube is not just a video platform, but also a social media platform. It's a place where you can connect with your viewers and other creators, build relationships, and grow your community. Engaging with your viewers and other creators can help you boost your audience retention. When you engage with your viewers, you show them that you value their feedback, opinions, and questions. You also motivate them to comment, like, share, and subscribe to your channel. This can boost your audience retention and loyalty. You can grow your reach. When you engage with other creators, you introduce yourself to their audiences and vice versa. You also create chances for collaborations, shout-outs, or cross-promotions. This can grow your reach and exposure on YouTube. You can also learn from others. When you engage with other creators, you can learn from their tips, experiences, and best practices. You can also get inspired by their content ideas, styles, or formats. This can help you improve your content quality and creativity. To engage with your viewers and other creators, you can reply to comments on your videos or live streams as soon as possible. Thank them for watching, answer their questions, ask them questions back, or start a conversation. You can also ask your viewers for feedback on your videos or channel. Ask them what they liked or disliked about your content, what they want to see more or less of, or what ideas they have for improvement. Join online communities related to your niche or genre on platforms like Reddit, Discord, Twitter, or Facebook. Join discussions, share your videos or links, or offer value to others. And that's all for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video on how to grow a gaming channel on YouTube. If you did, please smash that like button and subscribe to my channel for more awesome content like this. Also, make sure to hit the notification bell so you never miss any of my new videos. Let me know in the comments below what you think of these tips and strategies, and if you have any questions or suggestions for me, I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.